Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Dollar Tree Fun Finds with Raquel v. Kawaii. You can see part 1 up in the corner if you haven't watched it. So, I'm not going to tell you what was part 1, but you have to see for yourself. And then today I went to get a few things at Dollar Tree. I went to get 10 things. Part 1, which is over there, even though you can't see it, there's 4 items. In here, there's 5 items. And then the last item that I got is in a different room, which is there. So, it's right there. If there were llama stickers for my birthday theme, I will show you how that is at October. Okay, so I can't wait to show you guys what is inside. I can't wait to open it. So, let's see what's inside. The first thing I got was Zoo Balloons. I never heard of Zoo Balloons before, so I thought I'd get it. And it's one set. 1 Zoo Baloo, 1 Baba Baloo, 1 sticker. And then I love stickers so much. At the dollar store, I was gonna get another sheet of stickers, but this came with a sticker, so wow. So we might need scissors for it, but there's this little thing you pull. You rip it, and then it comes off. It's kind of like an LOL surprise because you had to peel all of it. You can see some of the confetti on it, which is just the wrapping. It's not the container. And it's a little hard to get the plastic open from the second layer. And then my mom will help me do that for me. So like you can see here on the wrapping, there are Zoo Balloons here. So that's a purple one, an orange one, and a blue one. And then I'll give you a hint what was in the last video. No hints. Watch it for yourselves, please. And then also like the video to see what's inside the first surprise. So also subscribe. Let's just cut that off. Okay, here's the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we also have to get this blind bag open. I knew it, but I didn't think about it. Okay, let's see what we got. So, it looks like we got this little crab. And then it looks like, let's see what it is. Here we have our little Zoo Baloo. It looks like a crab, and it's squishy. It is like a balloon. And then now, here is our thing. I think it's supposed to be balloon. So we have to do this. We have to stomp it with our hand, and then the balloon will get out of it, and then we can put it on our stem here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Did that do? Okay, let's see if it will work. And then it's probably gonna release confetti. So I recommend having a vacuum up your sleeves. So I just maybe have, if you don't want your house messy, because there's lots of confetti, I think. Then you could do it outside. And then, let's see what's in this one here. This one doesn't need cut. Here's our stickers. It's a sticker sheet. And there's lots of balloons here. And then here's our collector's guide. Let's see if this little buddy is common, rare, ultra rare, or like one of the limited editions. Let's see it. That's a frog. It looks similar to the crab. Common. Rare? Did we just get a rare? We did. They're metallic, and you can kind of see that they shimmer a little bit. They're really squishy. They're rare. That's 2 rares in a row. I meant. Sorry, I just blew the surprise, but in the last video. So now we're gonna open up the next surprise. Maybe we might have to do something with this. I don't know. Okay, this is messy. Just throw your trash away. And now we have these chairs, which I will cut. I got these for only $1. Then I have this Barbie here. And then now she can sit down. And then the last thing was really cool. So now let's see another one, which is the unicorn poop lip balm. And I just had to get this because I love these pastel colors. My favorite colors are pink, purple, and blue. And then this is kind of easy to get out. You probably don't need scissors. See? Put these. She's just gonna sit somewhere else. And then here's our unicorn poop. Let's open it from the bottom. And then it's red. It's glossy. And it smells like strawberry watermelon. Let's see what's the real flavor. The flavor is, I can't tell, but we're just probably gonna go to the next thing. And now, oh no, a unicorn pooped on a chair. Now we're going to unbox the next thing. You guys are gonna be surprised that you want to go to my Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna push these things aside so we have enough room to open our Hatchimals. And then our first Hatchimal will be up at the corner. Here's our Hatchimals season 4. And then they hatch bright. There's 1 pack. They're collectibles. Get it? Collectibles? Because they're little eggs inside. Now I'm just gonna cut this. Cut it open. Open this up so you can see your egg. Make sure you don't smash your egg. And then here's the egg. So you have to rub the heart and keep it safe so it can stand. Oh look, I never seen this. I don't think this was in the last video whenever we did Hatchimals. There was a star. And then here is our collector's guide. I will show you what is inside after we see what's inside. Okay. So you have to rub the heart until it turns pink, from purple to pink. It's more like a mix after that. Here is our heart. It's pink now. And then we have to break it like it hatched. And then tear up pieces from it. And then, whoa, pink is my favorite color. Wow, this looks cool. This little buddy is probably good buddy. Let's see in the collector's guide. So we try to find it. So he looks like a little fox. And then the foxes, where are they? Right here. Radiant Reef. We have Radiant Babatou. And then we can check that off, but I don't have a pen right now. And then did you know if you have one of those glow things, I have one, you could put it on the light and then it would light up. So now we're going to go to the next one, which is... So I've cleaned up before we open our last one. As you can see, there's no trash, just nothing. As you can see, this is our last one. I got the baseball Barbie figure, and it's only for $1. So I'm going to tell you why I got this. I know this is baseball, but I love to play softball, and you can kind of tell that it kind of looks like softball and baseball, both. And girls usually play softball, and this is really cool to get. So this is going to be the last one I'm going to open. There were lots of other career Barbie minifigures, so you guys can get them. Here she is. Let's clean up. So, as you can see, it's painted all around. She has a ponytail, and you can see that she has even face details. It's a little bit blurry on camera, but her eyes are really detailed. She has a baseball cap with her baseball uniform, and she has a stand so she can stand up. It looks really cool. So this is going to be the end of the video, and we're going to say bye with Barbie. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't watched part 1, to see every single one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And then if you like and subscribe, she's gonna throw the ball and her team's gonna win. So bye guys, love you all.